as well as the viewers. Today is a very special occasion for us. Firstly, because we just got a news of one more selection from Grade 2 SSB Bhopal for SEO Commission, and that becomes the 260th successful candidate. And other than that, we had 3 of our successful candidates coming together to visit us. What could be a more sweet occasion, especially when they brought the sweets along with them. Right? So first on my right is Srishti Rai, a student of online and offline batch, just about 3-4 months back, I think winters, December, yeah. And she qualified for SSC ATC Navy on 18th February, and also she thereafter qualified SSC IT batch of Navy from 33 SSB on 6th May. Are a very active member of the team, and also want to share that seeing this girl put her best efforts. It was not her first attempt. I know when she had come to us, she told me she has been to SSB 3-4 times, right? Yeah. She put in her effort. So, needless to say that whenever you go in the right stride, right effort, you get success. So don't worry if you had not been successful in the past. You can always work more hard in the coming attempts. Then we have Pradyuman, who is a student from 2020, and he's been consistently cracking SSB, right? So 2020 FCAT and CDS, AFA, 2021 and now 2022 PGC, right? Not his fault that he is still here and not joined the academy. Medical issues which he has already worked on, and I'm sure this time it will be all clear, and we'll bid him goodbye to IFA. Change the good wishes, so don't lose heart, I'm sure. Then we have Aditya, and Aditya has qualified CDS IMA, the same entry from which I have come, and it's a great feeling, and he was recommended from 32 SSB Kapurthala on 1st April. So thank God they didn't make any April fool. On 1st April, they really meant it. So initially you may have been a little doubt, right? I hope the TO is not joking with us. But then when the thing would have sustained, you would have really felt anything. So all the 3 have come, so we'll take 1 minute from each of them to share their experience, right? And then we'll have any questions, because I told them to have a 5-minute break and to have any questions, because we have students from various entries, and here you have in front of you students from various entries. So first we go to Srishti Rai. So what is your experience of SSBC?
Thank you, Emas, team, and all of you. Thank you so much. I'm really glad that I'm here today, because when I was sitting in online 30 batch, I promised myself that I'll come here to take this tire from sir, and I cannot believe that he is here today. And also to all the repeaters, I would say persevere, and to all the freshers, I would say be intelligent. So that is what I would like to add from my side. So thank you again, sir. We cannot thank you enough. So it's always a pleasure meeting you. And I already once said that your smile and your positivity, it encourages us. And today also when I came here, the smile on his face and the way he greeted us, it gives us confidence. So just keep going, persevere. That's all I would like to say. Thank you.
Go to Pradyuman, who is on the other corner, and then we'll come in the center. So Pradyuman, every time you've been to SSB, you cracked it, right? So irrespective of the medical, everybody is waiting to be cracked to SSB, because that is a testimony of your leadership skills, right? Medical, one really can't predict what is going on inside the body. That's okay. Whatever it is. I have a number of friends with me who cleared their SSBs and they could not either come in merit or at medical rejection. My own family members, some of them, despite of medical things, could not join. But they have proved themselves so successful in their corporate careers. Because there is no doubt that leadership skill in any field is not going to be of help. So what has been your mantra of cracking SSB again and again?
So first of all, I'd like to correct myself when you asked me that you will be bidding me goodbye to the academy. Of course, you'll be bidding me goodbye, but I won't be going anywhere. I'll be a part of the family, of course. So that's what I meant to say. For cracking SSB, sir, I believe, as Srishti Didi said, perseverance. It's very important. at the same time, one needs to know what their strong points are and keep a good hold of them. At the same time, work on the things which are not as strong. For example, for myself, it was the physicals. I was not as strong. But currently, if you ask me, I did more individual obstacles. That can be again a testimony of how I have improved myself. So whatever it is, while you are performing or while you are preparing yourself, just make sure that you assess yourself at the same time. If you think that you are not able to perform well in TAT or not able to come up with good themes, then read more. Read blogs or places from where you can know about different kinds of stories, right? So such kind of little activities you can incorporate in your daily lives so that you can remove the issues that you're having. At the same time, maintain a very high positive attitude. In my last conference, I was asked that you've been recommended twice. So many people must be coming at you, asking you कि भाई क्या करें, कैसे recommend हो या क्या करें. So आपने क्या बोला उस point पे जब भी कोई आपसे कुछ पूछने आता है, irrespective of what you tell them specifically, tell me what you tell them generically always. So I said that remain positive, and while you are performing, while you are doing something which is of some good to you, let go of the anxiety and stress of the results of the performance. Once you let go of that anxiety, Arun Bhaiya ne mujhe ek baar bola na, he told me, while you are performing, if you keep the anxiety and the stress of the results away, your performance will already be the best that you can give. ये दो चीज़ें आपको हमेशा याद रखें. So I think I did that, I followed that. And एक और चीज़ I'd like to mention, I came here for a repeater batch. And for the first time I met Aditya Buddhiraja sir. And he was teaching us, we were sitting like this in rows. And there was a glass of water which was kept here. And in his casual way he was telling, and he happened to hit the glass of water. And it fell down, broke, the water was everywhere. Within a second he said, no problem, good omen. Which means that no matter if the worst of the situation happen, you need to keep your head high. It's just a broken piece of glass, there's nothing wrong that it can do. So whatever tough things that you are going to face, just let it be. Last time when I got conference out, it was for my flying attempt. I'm sorry sir, I'm taking a lot of time. So when I got conference out for my last flying attempt, I've been aiming for Air Force flying for the past innumerable years. So at that time I did not feel any grief because I knew that ये नहीं होगा तो कुछ और होगा. Maybe this is for good. Maybe this is for my own good or for my family's good. Whoever's for the forge is good. But I'll have to do it. I'll have to keep going, and whichever thing is good for me will be given to me in due time with due credit. So just keep going and keep working. I'm sorry for taking a lot of time. Sir, over to you.
In this case also, perseverance is continue to succeed. No doubt in that. Let's go to Aditya, IMA. What do you feel seeing the building of IMA? If you ready?
It's a great.
It's a dream. It's going to come true very shortly.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, today is a repeater special. So Pradyuman is a 6-time repeater, Srishti is an 8-time repeater, and I'm a 9-time repeater. So, Shana ma'am बता रही थी कि if you go to it, like if you go and talk today, तो all the repeaters को थोड़ी बात बता देना. So मेरा बस यही है कि everyone in the world, every person or maybe the assessors, they'll tell you that you're not made for the services. They'll try to tell you, to test you. But I think अगर तुम में confidence है तो I don't think you can be stopped, because I've been conference out, not screened out, I've been conference out from AFCAT, from Coast Guard, from IMA, from OT, everywhere I've been conference out. But when I got recommended, it was for the most prestigious entry, that was CDS IMA. And there's no tension of merit and everything. So whenever you get something, it will be best.
It's a lifetime job. It's a
Yes,
permanent job.
yes, sir.
Yes.
So that was my thought process. And just one thing that I think EMA's notes are just more than notes. It's like a holy book. So I remember every line, even in my life I use those lines. So whenever I'm going in a group, I'm talking, so I see on the rules people are doing, fault finder, leader, I remember everything on the notes. So that is one thing. So I think that notes not only will help you to clear the SSB, but also in your life, in your friends, in everywhere you go. So that was my experience and some tips. And I think I know many people here. I know Priya, I know Nagendra, I know Sarthak. So EMAS is succeeding like with flying colors. So I'm very happy about that I was here. And that's it, sir. Thank you.
Screening is concerned. So these two things only. Do not get influenced by others. And number two, believe in yourself. अगर मेरे पिछले अटेम्प्ट्स में मुझसे पूछते कि मैं पास हो रही हूँ क्या, तो मैं बोलती नहीं हो रही हूँ. मुझे पता था कि मैं कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट हो जाऊँगी. ये पहला अटेम्प्ट था जब मुझे लग रहा था कि आई गेट द कॉन्फ्रेंस, आई गेट रिकमेंडेड. सो बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ and give more than 100% for screening also. So yeah, that's it.
So I think screening में I used to follow वही चीज़ जो I learned from EMAS. So I used to get screening पहले भी, but after that I used to get screening for sure. So first thing was that narration should be impeccable. It should be perfect. It should be confident. If you do that, तो पहले ही leader बन जाते हैं in the eyes of the group. They're like, he's already the leader, is confident. Second चीज़, story should be high level thinking. You should not video with ऐसा say. So exactly वही notes, again notes come. वही वो जो लिखा है वही करना है.
ये डेली पढ़ता था notes.
I used to read them from like Holy Bible ऐसे पढ़ता रहता था. So narration, and third चीज़ is कि you have to listen to others. I think listening is as important as speaking. This is very underrated thing.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Must have a habit of listening. Some of people continuously talk.
Except others, I think.
You also been screened a number of times. Ditto.
I got screened out twice. But the second time I got screened out. The second time I got screened out, it was Zoom and me. Because we used to prepare together. I met him in Gandhinagar, I got recommended, he got conference out. Later on I got screened out after that. So
Yes, I be same or anything is same.
because he used to tell me that whenever you are speaking, you need to be on point. The story needs to be good. That's how you'll be gaining confidence while speaking in narration, right? And once you speak your narration, once you give away your narration, just leave it for the group to listen. Forget your story. After that, when the discussion is beginning, just keep listening when you are not speaking. Try to figure out who 3-4 people were who had good points. And keep in mind their chess numbers. So once the story begins, you can point out कि हाँ इसने अच्छा बोला था. His story can be taken up. His point can be taken up at least. And once the group is somewhat clear about what the number of people are, what the mood is, what the general setting looks like, you can then talk about themes. Once the themes are done, you should combine. इसने मुझे एक चीज़ बोली थी, जो combine शब्द है ना, ब्रह्मास्त्र की तरह यूज़ करो. इसने मुझे बोला था. जब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मैं इससे पहले recommend हो गया तो मैं बढ़िया हो गया. I learned a lot from him, specifically for screening. So वो ब्रह्मास्त्र को यूज़ करो. Try to combine things because they want a person who wants to take the group forward as a in totality.
Right.
So if you can do that, that'd be great.
No questions? No questions?
Yeah?
Okay. So if there are no questions, shall we do the tile presentation? Okay. First I am presenting the tile to our successful candidate. Srishti Rai was selected SSB twice, so she deserves 2 tiles and both for the Navy. So I think I am going to see her in white uniform in 2023. Yeah? 2 tiles for you. So then we have 2 ties for Juno, Astana, and we change the color. The same one. Okay.